So hey everyone, and in this video we are going to learn about Git branches. So basically what are Git branches? So in short, if I tell you, Git branches is just like a branch, okay, a tree's branch, okay. So you can assume that you have your main code, then you can create branches of that code so that multiple people can work on each branch. Let me just give you an example here. So for example, we have a main branch. Okay, so we actually call it a main branch or master branch. So main or master. Okay, master branch. This contains what? This contains our main code. Okay, this contains our main code. Suppose I have two people who are good in development, but I don't know that which of them would be giving me better code. Okay, so I would simply create branches for these two people. Suppose I'm creating one branch here. Similarly, guys, I'm gonna create another branch here. Okay, so now here what I'll say is I want to say that this is branch A, branch A, branch A for person A. Okay, so I've just created copy of my main code in branch A, and similarly copy of my main code to branch B. Okay, that's it. Now here suppose in branch A what you have said is, here I've said that name. Okay, suppose I've just have a variable. Okay, I'm just gonna say that suppose full name I have said that full name is Harshal. Okay, suppose in this specific code I have said that full name is Harshal, right? So I'm just gonna color it this with yes, yellow, right? So you can see in this specific main code I have said full name is Harshal. So these two would also know that full name is Harshal. Okay, so here if I just copy, and yes, these two would also know that full name is Harshal, right? But what I would say is here, okay, here I would simply say that in branch A I would change this full name to Viraj. Okay, that's what I want. I have changed the full name to Viraj. Okay, so just a second. Yes, I have changed this full name to Viraj in branch A. Okay, so in branch A, I have made some changes and I made the commit. Okay, so you can see branch A had the change, and similarly, branch B won't be seeing the change. Branch B would still be Herschel because we didn't make any change, and branch A's change would be only specific to branch A's change. That means Herschel would be still here, still it would be here. Suppose here if I just change the name to Tony. Okay, Tony. So now you can see that branch B's change is also specific to branch B, branch A's change is also specific to branch A, and main code change is also specific to main code. Okay, so you can see that's how you can maintain things. Just the copy of main code is passed to branch A and branch B for the first time, then they would be making changes individually. Suppose after that this is the owner of the company likes the changes made by branch B, likes the changes made by branch B. So we're gonna remove this branch, okay, and we're gonna merge this branch with our main code. Okay, that's what we call merging as. Okay, so you can see that's the purpose of branches. It's like when you're not sure which feature would work better, which kind of code would work better, so you're gonna split your code into branches. Okay, so that multiple people can work on different parts. Later on, whatever feature you like, you can merge it to your main code, right? So guys, let me just explain it with git bash. So first of all, guys, I'll just create a new folder here, and I'm just gonna name this folder as my project 2. And here, guys, I'll just open it with VS Code. I'm just gonna create a file named as fl1.txt. So remember I told you that we have a master or main branch. So I'm just gonna say that, let's say that we have written some text here, change made by master or main. Okay, change made by master or main. Okay, so now let me just minimize this and I'll just open this with git bash. Okay, open this with git bash, and you can see that I have opened this with git bash, and right now you can see that we are here on the main branch. Okay, we are here on the main branch. So first of all, if I write git add dot, okay, as soon as I write this, then after that you can see that everything is fine. Now if I just say git commit, actually first of all we need to initialize it. Okay, so we need to initialize it. So initialize empty git repository. As soon as you initialize the repository, this main would be converted to master. Okay, so sometimes you would see main, sometimes you see master. Both of them mean exactly same, so don't get confused. Main or master means that we are talking about the main code. Okay, we are talking about the main code. Okay, so you can see that git init is done. Then after that git add dot, and now I'm making a commit. So git commit m, I'm just gonna say change 1. Okay, change 1. Now if I just hit enter, you can see that now change is done. Okay, so after that guys, right now I want to know how many branches first of all do I have. Okay, so for that I would simply say git branch flag a. So as soon as I write this, you can see that right now I'm only getting master. Okay, suppose I want to create a new branch. So for that, I would simply write git branch and then the branch name. So I'm just going to say my branch name is branch A. So as soon as I write this, now if I check the branches, you can see that I have these two branches now, right? Similarly, if I create another branch named as branch B, now you can see that I have the three branches, right? Now after that, guys, suppose I want to go to branch A. So I would simply type git switch brancha. Okay, branch A. So you can see now I switch to branch A, and here you would see right now we are in branch A, right? Since we are in branch A, that means copy of main master code is now in branch A. Okay, so now I'll go to VS Code. Since we are in branch A, so I'm gonna make a change. So I'm gonna say change made by user A. Okay, user A or branch A. Okay, and here after that I'm just gonna push this. Okay, I'm just gonna push this. Okay, so I'm just gonna say that for pushing this, I can push it here from here or from git bash, from anywhere you can do this. I'm just gonna go do it from here so that it's easy. So I'm just gonna say git add dot, okay, and then git commit m, and then I'm just gonna say that change to, okay, right, change to, and then I'm just gonna say that you can see that here we have branch A. This is the change made for branch A. Now suppose if I switch to master, from here if I switch to master or main branch, so you can see now if I switch to master, you can see that the change made by user A or branch A is gone, right? So that's the benefit. And similarly now if I switch to branch B, okay, let's switch to branch B, you can see now I switch to branch B. Let's make a change. I'm just gonna say that change made by user B. Okay, user B. Okay, user B, and let's create one more file. I'm just gonna name this file fl2.txt, and here I'll just paste it. I can create one more directory dir1. Inside this I can create one more file index.html, right? And if I just write it like this, and here also if I just write the h1 tag, and here I would just paste it. Okay, so you can see that for changes made by branch B, you can see there are some changes. Okay, now I would again make a commit. Okay, so git add and then git commit would be commit 3. Okay, change 3, and you can see that changes are done. Okay, so you can see that yeah, now changes are done. Now let's try to again switch to master branch. Now if I switch to master branch, you can see that the files or directories which I created for user 2 or branch B, user B or branch B, you can see that are gone. Now only code is visible for master or main branch. Okay, for master and main branch, right? So guys, that's what is the difference. And you can see we have separate branches. We can work on copies of master or main branch, that is branch A and branch B. Just like that, you can create as many branches as you want. That's the purpose of branches. Now guys, we are going to understand that right now we created two branches, branch A and branch B, for two users, okay, for two employees of our company, and master branch is handled by the CEO, the owner. Okay, so you can assume that suppose branch B's code is good. Okay, I like branch B's code. I as an owner, I like branch B's code. I like employee B's code. So what I want is I want to merge that employee B's code, employee B's branch to my master branch. How can I do that? So for that guys, I first of all need to go to master branch. Okay, so right now you must be in master branch. If you are not in master branch, you can simply type git switch master, right? So now if you are in master branch, what you need to do is you simply need to type the command git merge. Okay, here you can type git merge, or I would say do it in VS Code so that it would be easier. Here I would do it. I'm in master branch, so I've gone to master branch. I know I'm in master branch. If I type here git branch and flag A, so you would see I'm in master branch, so that would also be easier. So from here also you can know that you are in master branch. Now here if I type git merge, now I want to type the branch name which I want to merge. So I want to merge branch B to master branch. I am in master branch. I want to merge branch B's code. So I would simply type branch B. If I write this, you can see that guys, now all the changes of branch B are actually available here. Okay, you might have some merge conflicts later on. Okay, we have to check that. You might have some merge conflicts, so for fixing those merge conflicts, you can easily check out here. You'll see the accept changes and reject changes which we have done previously. So that would be some merge conflicts. That means there would be some files which would be extra, or there would be some deleted files. So you would have to handle it by just selecting what you want and what you don't want. Okay, so you'll get some merge conflicts here maybe in future. Okay, so you can just select this accept changes, or accept incoming changes, or accept previous changes. You'll get the options here, right? So guys, that's how you can merge any branch's code to your main branch code, whichever feature you like. So that's really beneficial for you in your development journey, right? So I hope you understood the purpose of branches, and you can use it for collaboration a lot. Okay, so that's it for today guys. I will see you in the next one. Till then, say a good day. Bye bye.